Ciao friends! I'd like to introduce SQLBI Days, our new in-person format that complements our existing training solutions. But first of all, why? Well, in the last few years, Alberto Ferrari and I created articles, videos and books about DAX and data modeling. We also like to share content in person. We speak at conferences and deliver workshops all around the world. And yes, we also like to travel. Now, when it comes to in-person events, there are several formats. From the breakout session at technical conferences that usually last less than 60 minutes, to the 3-day classroom experience that includes exercises like mastering DAX. Each format has pros and cons, and a popular one is the pre-conference day. It's an entire day dedicated to lectures and demos about a specific topic. Many people like this format because it's very dense and focused. But the conference timing might not work well with your schedule, or you might want to go to another session the same day. Now, SQLBI Days is our initiative to bridge this gap. Each day at SQLBI Days is a different event with a different topic. The common format is that you will be following an entire day of lectures that Alberto or I deliver in person, which I'm sure will be a welcome break from the daily routine of your work. You can easily ask questions and participate, and during a SQLBI day there are no exercises because the goal is to maximize the in-person time, to collect knowledge and to interact with the teacher and other peers. For these reasons, SQLBI Days complement and don't replace any of the existing SQLBI courses. To optimize the logistics, we are organizing several SQLBI Days in a row at the same venue, but they cater to different audiences. For example, the first SQLBI Day is for DAX newbies. The Introduction to DAX Day aims to introduce DAX from zero. Ideally, you should consider attending Introduction to DAX before starting the Mastering DAX course, whether video or classroom. The other two SQLBI Days are aimed at DAX pros. Advanced DAX is a follow-up for those who have already completed Mastering DAX and have experience writing DAX on real-world projects. First Steps in DAX Optimization has similar prerequisites and is an introduction to the longer and more complete Optimizing DAX video course, which is not delivered in person. You can buy the bundle of the 2 days dedicated to DAX Pros and get an initial discount. And if you happen to have attended a Mastering DAX video course or Mastering DAX classroom course in the past, an additional alumni discount will be automatically applied to your order. You can find more information about each SQLBI Day on the corresponding page. I hope to see you soon at one of our training sessions, and in the meantime, enjoy DAX!